Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to update Intel HD graphics in Windows 11, 10. First method is open any browser. Type Intel Update Assistant in browser search bar, click Intel Driver Support Assistant. Click Download under Intel Processor Graphics. Click Begin Installation. Click Reboot now to finish installation. Second method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Click and expand Display Adapters, right-click Intel HD Graphics, click Update Driver, click Search automatically for drivers. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.